I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make microwave macarons. While traditional macarons rely on precise oven baking for their delicate feet and crisp shells, using a microwave offers a quick, alternative dessert. This method yields a softer, chewier macaron-like treat, perfect for a fast, sweet craving. It's important to note the texture will differ from oven-baked versions, but it's still delicious. To begin, you'll need almond flour, powdered sugar, and egg whites. Precision is key, so use a food scale for accurate measurements of all ingredients. Sifting your dry ingredients, like the almond flour and powdered sugar, is crucial to avoid any lumps in your batter. Finally, prepare a piping bag with a small, round tip, ready for shaping your macaron shells. Next, focus on achieving the right batter consistency, often called macaronage. It should be thick but flow slowly like lava. Carefully pipe small, uniform circles onto parchment paper. After piping, gently tap the tray a few times on your counter to release any trapped air bubbles. This step helps create a smoother shell. Let the piped shells rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now for the microwave cooking. Place a few shells in the microwave and cook in very short bursts, perhaps 10 to 15 seconds, checking frequently. Cooking times will vary significantly based on your microwave's wattage, so watch them closely. Once cooked, let the shells cool completely on the parchment paper. Finally, fill your cooled shells with your favorite ganache or buttercream for a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.